Hello and welcome everyone. This is your very young Kshitij Pandya from Choice Institute of Technology channel. This time I am going to deliver a bit on Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio. So beginning with the word robotics. Robotics is one of the widest and the largest fields of engineering. Now the final product of robotics is generally known as robots. The importance of this robotics and this robots can be judged from the statement by some philosopher come scientists that one day we would be to robots what dogs are to us presently. Now these words robot and robotics are so intermingled in our daily life that even kids know what are robots and robotics. But the developing these robots is never an easy task. One of the biggest challenges that the industry had to face was to make the software development for robots an easy task. And then came in the Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio that changed the nightmares of many developers into an interesting experience. This Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio, or generally known as simply Robotics Studio or RDS, is a Windows-based environment that allows us, or the academic and the commercial developers, as well as us, the simple people like us, to develop applications on a variety of hardware. So let's begin what the Robotics Studio actually is. Robotics Studio stands on its three main legs, that is the service-oriented runtime, the tools that it offers, and the inbuilt examples and the services. Now let's pick in what it has in the runtime. It has such a runtime that it makes the development of the applications or the asynchronous applications an easy task, a very easy task, and it provides such a programming model. It has two components. Support is excellent, and those are the CCR and the DSS. Begin with the CCR. It's concurrency and coordination runtime. The words, like the scary word concurrency, often pops up some huge words such as semaphores in minds of most of us like developers. So concurrency and coordination runtimes makes managing this asynchronous output or in I/O an easy task. So that is all about CCR. And the second component in the runtime is DSS, that is a decentralized software services. So what is this decentralized software services? It allows us to make such software modules that can be interoperated from the robots as well as from the interconnected PCs. So hence the word decentralized, and this also makes the work very easier. Now let's look what is in the store, that is the tools that it supports. Begin with VPL, that is the most generally used. The VPL means Visual Programming Language. It allows us to program using simple drag and drop, and that is very simple. Even a child can do it. What is drag and just drag it and just drop it, and application or the Robotics Studio will generate automatically a C# code for you. And finally, and the most importantly, is the VSE, Visual Simulation Environment. Now what is this VSE? Visual Simulation Environment, as the name suggests itself, and that it allows us to simulate in various environments, and it supports .x, .obj, .dae files as well. And the environments, few of the environments to name that it supports are the house environment, the factory environment, the apartment environment, the city environment, the outdoor environment, and many more. So that is all about it. And one more thing about this Visual Simulation Environment, it allows us to create application without using a single hardware. So that is a great help for the developer. Final leg of this Robotics Studio, and the most important one for the learners as well as the enthusiasts, is that it provides more than 15 tutorials. So that is a great help for the learners who want to learn it directly from the application, who are using it for the first time and just want to learn it for the first time. So that is a great help for the learners. And for the enthusiasts, it provides a huge number of inbuilt services as well as the drives, including the Lego Mindstorm NXT, Lego Mindstorm RCX, the very well-known Fisher technique, and the iRobot Roomba. It also supports such technique, these services. So that is all about the services and the examples that it gives.